third and final quarter. De La Cruz to Pantin. Sichon, floater, no good. Rebound by Hiroche. Puerto to Ferrer. Ferrer. Puerto for three. Basket by Julian Puerto. 48-41. Pito ang kalamangan ng CPU. Pantin. There's a foul. Pendon. Pinasa kay Alejandro. Drives. No good. Covered and Juani Vanessa to Puerto. Barranco. Pass to Hiroche for three. Basket by JJ Hiroche. 51-41, 10-point lead by the Golden Lions. Yan, nakausad na mga Leon. Pendon answers, no good. Nakuha ni steal by Pantin. There's a foul. First throw by Pantin. Basket is good. Last throw, wala. Puerto to Ferrer. Puerto fires, no good. Rebound by Pantin. Rolling John Pantin. Pantin. Pinasa kay RJ Deliena. Deliena. Back to Pantin. Guarded by Puerto. Pinasa. Deliena. Alejandro. Corner three. No good. Cut. Reset. Shot clock reset. Pantin. Jumper. No good. Nakuha ni Hiroche. Pinasa kay Barranco. Tapped out. That's a turnover. RJ. Pinasa kay Sichon. Back to Deliena. That's a turnover. Pinasa sa wala. 6 minutes remaining. That's a floater pero nakuha ni Deliena. Pantin fires. Wala. Same ball. Deliena to Pendon for three. Short. Covered by Pendon. Jumper. Wala pa rin. There's a whistle. Foul. Deliena to Sichon. Pendon for three. No good. Rebound by Barranco. Pass to Puerto. Oh, bad pass. Nakuha ni Deliena. From down under, Pendon. Nabitawan. Turnover. Barranco. No good. Turnover. Deliena for three. No good. Sichon fires a 3, wala pa rin. Barangco for the rebound. Barangco pinasa kay Heroche, fires a 3, no good. Nakuha ni Puerto. So Barangco, that's same ball. Puerto back to, that's shot clock violation. Sichon to Deliera. Back to Sichon. Deliera to Pantin. Jumper, no good. Rebound by Puerto. Puerto fires, block. Juaneza to Heroche. 3 points by JJ Heroche. 54-42. 12-point lead by Scipio. Pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Golden Lions. Pendon to Sichon. Sichon fires, no good. There's a pushing foul by Pantin. Barangco to Puerto. Puerto fires a 3, no good. Recovered by Pantin. Foul. Basket. Last throw by Pantin. 2 for 2 by Pantin. 54-44. 10-point lead by CPU. 3:33 in the fourth and final quarter. Heroche. Nasa kay Barangco. Ferrer. 7. Barangco for 3. No good. Rebound nakuha ni Pantin. Ang bola. Pantin drives. Floater. No good. Nakuha ni Juaneza. Barangco. That's steal. Pantin to Pendon. Wala. Nakuha ni Ferrer. There's a whistle. Barangco. To Ferrer. Middle jumper by Juaneza. No good. Recovered by Puerto. In and out. Heroche. Juaneza. Basket is good by Kevin Juaneza. 56-44. Caspilio in the court. To Pantin. Last 2 minutes of the fourth and final quarter. Nakuha ni Barangco. Juaneza, middle jumper, no good. Caspilio to Pantin. Pantin. Floater basket is good by Pantin. JJ Heroche, no good. Caspilio to Sichon. No good. Barangco, 1 minute 10. Barangco, nabitawan, same ball. Last 1 minute of the ball game. Ferrer to Barangco for 3. Kevin Barangco. 56-40, 59-46. Sichon to Alejandro. Pantin jumper basket is good. 48-59. 38 seconds remaining. "26 seconds. Barranco fires another 3. No good. Caspillo to Pantin. 3. No good. That's the end of the ball game. Score 59-48. 11-point victory by the Golden Lions. Congratulations, Golden Lions, 59-48. That's the third game, third victory, 3-1 record in the round 1.